Hi, this is Greg from Structural Toolkit. When using a design module that's fairly long and you're wanting to keep your eye on what happens to a calculation at the bottom of the page if you change an input, what you can use is the Insert Split feature. To insert a split in a design, right click where you want to insert it and click Insert Split. You'll then have two sections which you can scroll up and down in independently. And so if we were to change a value further up in the document, we'd be able to see what effect it has down below. To remove the split, just right click again and go Remove Split. The split also works going from left to right. It can be done by holding down the Shift key and clicking the Insert Split option. That about covers the Insert Split feature. Feel free to check out our website for other tips and videos. Thanks for watching.